Hello and welcome to day 2 of your English learning journey. I'm really glad you're here. Today's topic is very important. We're going to learn how to introduce yourself with confidence. Now, take a moment and imagine this. You meet someone new. Maybe it's a new friend, a colleague, or even your future boss. What do you say? How do you say it? It can feel a little scary, right? But don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to introduce yourself in English, clearly, naturally, and with confidence. Are you ready? Let's get started. Introducing yourself is the first step in any relationship, personal or professional. It's your first impression, your first connection. When you introduce yourself with confidence, people notice. They feel comfortable around you. They want to learn more about you. Whether you're at a party, a job interview, or a language exchange, a great introduction can open many doors. Friendships, job offers, new experiences. So, how can you introduce yourself in a way that feels natural and powerful? Let's start with the basics. Here are some key words you'll need when talking about yourself. The first one is name. This is your identity. Next. From. This tells people where you were born or where you come from. Then we have live, where you live now. Work or job. This is what you do for a living. And finally, hobby. Something you love doing in your free time. Now, let's hear some examples. My name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I live in New York. I work as a teacher. And my hobby is reading books. Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. My name is. I am from. I live in. I work as a. My hobby is. Great job. You're doing amazing. Let's move on and learn how people actually introduce themselves in everyday conversations. Here are some natural and friendly phrases you can use when meeting someone for the first time. Now, let's look at a short conversation.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Hello, John. I'm Anna. I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I work in marketing. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. In my free time, I like to paint. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer.
Feel free to repeat that conversation to practice it, slowly. Let's continue. So how do you make your introduction sound more confident? Here are 5 simple but powerful tips. Number 1. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Number 2. Smile. Yes, even when you're practicing. Smiling changes the sound of your voice and makes you more approachable. Number 3. Use a friendly tone. Imagine you're talking to someone you like. Number 4. Practice often. The more you repeat your introduction, the more fluent you'll become. And number 5. Look in the mirror. Say your introduction while looking at yourself. It helps you become more comfortable. You can also record yourself using your phone. Listen to how you sound. Then try again and make small improvements each time. Remember, confidence doesn't mean being perfect. It means being comfortable. You've got this. All right, now it's your turn to speak. Let's practice your full introduction. I'll say each sentence and then give you time to respond. Hi, I'm from. I live in. I work as a. In my free time, I like to. Great. Now try saying your full introduction again, 3 times. Each time speak a little more confidently. Ready? Well done. You are learning to express yourself. That's a powerful skill. Keep going. Let's do a quick review of what you learned today. You learned vocabulary to introduce yourself. You practiced natural phrases for real conversations. You discovered tips to help you sound confident. And you practiced with your own introduction. Every day you practice, you're getting closer to fluency. Remember, introducing yourself is not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about connection. It's about expressing who you are. That's amazing. Keep practicing. Every time you repeat this lesson, it gets easier. And you? You're doing great. Thank you for joining day 2 of this 30-day challenge. You should be proud of yourself. Tomorrow in day 3, we'll learn how to ask questions and keep conversations going. Until then, keep practicing your introduction. Maybe try it with a friend, or record yourself and listen back. Remember, every small step brings big results. See you next time, and don't forget to smile. Goodbye.